Trillions could flow through cryptos like Stellar XLM and Zion coins could benefit. How am I deriving at that? How am I coming to that conclusion? Well, first, before all of that, please like, subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and I can keep delivering more and more content like this to you more frequently. Now, with that aside, it's all about the fundamentals, people. And we really need to look into what's going on in the inner workings of the market, especially with Stellar. And just today, Madison Dearborn had purchased Moneygram, and we know this deal has gone through because my shares were automatically sold. So that deal's gone through, that's confirmed. Moneygram does not now need to answer to shareholders. They have been acquired by Dearborn, and this is a private equity firm that have paid the $700 million debt off of Moneygrams. So that now Moneygram is a private company, and now they can focus on digital assets and expand more on that. And when we talk about that, we know that that is to do with Stellar and USDC. So really just expanding that operation and really reaching out on the web to get to, I guess, more of these territories. What could it mean? Could it mean more acquisitions with territories to deliver cheaper cross-border payments, which is key, really? And if we think about who Moneygram's main rival is, and that obviously would be Western Union, and they actually attempted to acquire Moneygram but failed with the acquisition, and as a result the deal was done with Madison Dearborn. So it's clear financial firms, equity firms are focused on digital currencies. They're focused on blockchain. And really, this just highlights the importance of getting in now. The markets are down today because we've had this issue with Gensler slamming a lawsuit on Binance, accusing them of selling securities. And I mean, when you look at the small print, these securities have been claimed to be Solana, ADA, Cardano. But look, putting that aside, the small print doesn't say the actual digital asset is a security. It's claiming that the way it's been packaged is a security. The contract in itself is a security. So Binance have been packaging these digital assets as securities. So the markets have reacted to that negatively, obviously, and the SEC is having an impact on the crypto markets, but not for long, I might add, because I do feel and think that there's going to be a turnaround at some point with Gensler. Putting that aside, getting back to Stellar, back to Moneygram, now is the time. The focus is real. We can expect the expansion to new territories for Moneygram, for Stellar. And that means that with these APIs for wallet providers like ourselves, we'll be able to reach hopefully all 350,000 outlets, 350,000 territories. And really, this is key for Stellar to be able to expand and provide a solid use case for cross-border payments. And I believe this partnership is really second to none at the moment, because it's actually all about these cross-border remittance company payments. Right now, this is the perfect use case for Stellar to secure the network and ensure that network effect is prominent. With network effect comes value. More and more people become interested, and obviously you'll get an increase in price of the actual digital asset itself. Now, you know, I'm saying that as so that, you know, Stellar could rise on its own. The likeliness is it's seldom that this news often affects the price. And again, it's not really likely to, because ultimately all tides rise when we're talking about cryptocurrencies, digital assets. All tides rise together. And when I say that, I mean we will see, before any real major increase in the price, before any 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 100x in price, we'll see the increase in price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. All of those cryptos will increase in price, and that's likely to be in this next bull cycle. And ultimately, what we're going to see is cash coming in to the crypto market, because a new debt ceiling has been proclaimed, and we don't even know where that ceiling is yet. There isn't one. So that means more and more dollars are going to be printed, which means the devaluation of the dollar is going to increase. Inflation is going to increase even more. But flip side of that, commodities will rise in price. Cryptos, I would call cryptos a commodity, will rise in price, and therefore we can expect higher prices for everything, unfortunately. This is either a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. It's all relative. Do we actually want higher prices for everything and higher prices for crypto? I don't know. But when there's no sight of where the limit is for the debt ceiling, it's not good. We also know that banks, regional banks like First Republic, are feeling the effects strongly of this, and really prices are tumbling. You know, I was just looking at the Trading 212 desk and noticed that First Republic dividend is at a crazy 459% on the quarter. I've never seen the likes of it before in my life. First Republic is trading OTC at the moment at 17 cents, believe it or not. And I can't really see a bottom here, so I don't know whether that is a good buy or a bad buy. But I'll leave that up to you. In any case, I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Smash the Zion coin up there, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Have a great day now. Take care.